Hello everyone, I'm very glad to see you all again. Today we will start with a question. What is matter? Well, matter has many meanings depending on where and how we are using the word. In physics, it has a specific definition. Chemistry, it's a bit different. And in the dictionary, it means entirely different. So let's understand with a simple example. Imagine you walk into your classroom one day and your friends are talking about something new. You're a bit confused, so you ask, "Hey, what's the matter? What are you guys discussing?" That's your first reaction to figure out what is going on. Then someone says there is a new student, Ashok, or maybe it's Preeti. Now you know who or what they were talking about. You join the conversation and start using their name, Ashok or Preeti, instead of just saying matter. That's how our understanding works. In the beginning, we didn't even know what things were. Everything around us looked strange: the trees, the sky, the water, the birds. We hadn't named anything and we didn't understand how it all worked. Why do trees grow tall but not grass? Why do birds fly but not animals? We didn't even have words like animal or bird until we gave things name. We simply called everything around us matter. Once we learn more what it looks like, what it's made of, how it behaves, we give it a specific name. It might be solid, liquid, gas, bird, insects, trees, or anything. After that, we usually stop calling it matter in everyday conversation because now we have a proper name for everything. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Hope you can relate the story to the definition for better understanding. See you later.